Hi, so I'm Monica Velez from Anaheim, California, and I wanted to show you what's growing in my garden today. So if you look right here, the beets, I just noticed they're sprouting today right here where my finger is. I don't know if you can see, and one more right there, and I think I planted 3 in there. So let's see if you can see them. One right here where my finger is wiggling, and whoops, and one more right there. So, can you see it? I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's so exciting. So for those of you who don't know, I'm a first-time gardener. I've never grown anything before. So this is what I'm doing. And let me show you what I did last week or earlier in the week. These started from seed in, I forget what they're called, but here's my cilantro. And I put 2 more right here. So by seed, so maybe they'll grow, we'll see. And then here's my basil, and what is this? I don't know what that is. Is that my green onion? That would be so funny. And then over here is jalapeno. So these were in starters, is that what they're called? Starts. And then I transplanted them just like a few days ago. And then over here, we've got tomato, same thing. He started in a little tiny container start, and then I transplanted him, and here's the other kind of tomato. So there are 2 different kinds maybe. One is cherry and one is Roma, but I didn't mark which one is which. And over here we've got my starters, so I guess it's time to move them. Some of them did better than others, and I guess that's how it goes, and that's what happens. So here's my squash and zucchini and beet right there. So they're ready to be transplanted somewhere. These guys, well, I don't know what I did wrong. I need to learn. Maybe I didn't watch them carefully enough, water them enough, or I didn't put the seed in correctly, or I don't know, I did something. And then these guys, they did come up, but yeah, I got to figure out what I'm going to do next with them. So I'm Monica Velez, and I thank you for watching my short video today, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, what's today?